Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Hawaiian-style teriyaki chicken. You can use this teriyaki sauce not only for chicken but for beef or even stir-fried vegetables. I personally recommend grilling your teriyaki over a charcoal grill to get that most flavorful, smoky chicken that you can't get from baking or frying. Here are the following ingredients. First, combine all of the ingredients for the teriyaki sauce. Shoyu, sugar, sesame oil, ajinomoto or MSG, ginger, garlic, sesame seeds, and green onions. Then add in the chicken thighs and make sure all of it has been covered in the sauce. Cover and let it marinate in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. Heat or ready the grill. Add on the teriyaki chicken and let it grill for about 5 minutes each side, or until there is a nice slight char. Remove the chicken when it has been cooked on both sides. Serve it on a bed of thinly sliced cabbage with a side of hot white rice and mac salad, and enjoy this onolicious teriyaki chicken.